Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly in Word. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I have Chrome browser, so I'm going to this browser. And in the search bar, you just search for grammarly.com. So now this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open Grammarly.com. Here I have already logged in with my account in Grammarly. So now you need to go to app, which is in the dashboard of Grammarly. So you can see in the left side here, app, just click on this app. So now just click on this Grammarly for Windows, just click on this install. So Grammarly for Windows is being installed in this device. So just click on download, and here you can see Grammarly installer. Just click on this and install this. So it might take some time to install this. Just wait a while. So it's being installed. So now go again to this page and just reload this page. So now here you can see sign in as Continuify 2. You are about to sign in to your Grammarly account. Continue with Grammarly and open Grammarly. So here you need to just click on next and again next and continue for free. So you can see here set goals, and you can just customize according to your will in the Grammarly. You can just set audience, general, knowledgeable or expert, formality and domain and intent. So you can just set it according to your will and just click on done here, and your Grammarly is being installed in Word. So now go to MS Word. So here it is. So this is how you add your Grammarly in your Word. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.